Welcome back to Easily Yangon channel. This is Lily and I will be your host today. I'm at Bangkok and now I'm in front of Wat Pho. This is one of the tourist attraction place in Bangkok and I will explore this area. So come along with me guys. So this is a coffee shop. Yeah, Kim and coffee shop. And this is it's traditional bag they say. And also the pants and clothes. Yeah, it's really pretty. If you want to come in Wat Pho, yeah, enter Wat Pho, you have to wear a proper dress. So if you wear like this, you have to buy this and wear this and come here, come there. So okay, let's go. Wow, I saw a restaurant. So should we try? Yes. Okay. This shop name is Hello Sit Down, and they sell traditional Thai food like mango sticky rice, pad thai, and also tom yum. Yeah, and I order pineapple fried rice with shrimp. So I'm waiting now. Now I got my order. Look at this pineapple fried rice with two big shrimp. Yeah, ingredients. Yeah, two big browns. Let me check. The ingredients are egg and chutneys and pineapple and lemon, jicama and rice. Okay, let's take this. It's really delicious and I can feel the taste of egg. Look. Prawn. Big prawn. I really like it. Taste is really soft and fresh, so good. And I will add this sauce, chili, maybe spicy sauce. Enjoy! The price of this fried rice is 100 baht, so which costs around $2.5, and it's reasonable price. It's so tasty. Yeah, I like it. Oh, I forgot to taste the pineapple. That's the main dish. Main dish in this fried rice. Pineapple fried rice. Yeah, that's why. Not bad. So a lot of foreigners are come to the Wat Pho, so you can see the lot of foreigners in these streets, and yeah, it's the bustling pan, Muay Thai bustling pan, Thai traditional, yeah. Picture.
It's the Thai classical dancing. Thai the classical is mean for the happiness. Yeah, in that one. See. And what we do can put on the frame that you saw the carnage, the Indian god. See, have for lucky, for business. Any position. Dragon is a Chinese animal, mean for success and power. You see. Yeah, and some of the peacock. Peacock for happiness and lucky. Have male and female.
It's really interesting. Yeah.
Man and lady.
Painting.
No, this is the print and then pen. Print and then pen.
Yes. How much?
Yeah, I charge 100 baht.
100
100 so which costs around $2.5.
Yeah. If you want
It's really,
the very popular, in this this one.
What is it?
That's a very nice. We call the stone rubbing. We copy from temple from Wat Pho, from the temple inside. This is my job. Yeah, in the on the rice paper. So you can see on the back side, and the picture we call love story. Ramayana have
Love story.
Ramayana
I
have
see,
Hanuman. He falling in love. You see, he make love. You see, and here have after that. You see, that he saved the princess Sita on fire. To put virgin when she go back for her husband to put virgin, but Hanuman he knows, so he saved her. And this the Ravan, that's a lucky and power. Why lucky elephant, lucky power the king demon, and that the king Rama, see Rama and Lakshman in that one. See, yeah, in that one, very popular. See. And that the kidnapping, that's the beginning in this story. Ravan abduct Sita, but you look, she's smiling. Why? Because Thailand land of smile.
This anchor explain me the picture or story. Yeah. The story of picture. Yeah. Come on, girl. Yeah. Let's go. It's a stick shop. And ice cream shop here. Wow, it's a souvenir shop. Shall we go and check? Let's go inside. The elephants is their signature animals in Thailand. Really cute. What's that? Shunka? It's Yama Lakana. Yeah. Look at this. This one is a head pin and just 49 baht, so which costs around $1. Yeah, it's pretty. Like this. Yeah. Okay, this is my exploring around Wat Pho area, and it will be helpful for you if you can want to come here. Let me stop my video here. If you want to know more about this area, you can check in this video from our sister channel, Eatery Bangkok. And bye bye guys, see you in next video.